In our previous videos, we have always talked about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency world. However, we do not really dig deeper into the hows and whys or the mechanisms working in crypto. We haven't talked about the basics of entering the crypto world. Hence, we realized that the target audience of our videos are those people who have been in the industry for so long already. Right now, we want to introduce it to more people and to diversify it to stay true to the essence of our channel's name, Diversified Streams. We also think that this will convince more people to join the growing world of cryptocurrency. With these things in mind, we are now launching our how-to videos that aim to teach and to demonstrate the basic things that you need to know with regards to cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching Diversified Streams, your go-to YouTube channel for all things crypto and finance. Be sure to check out our community post about these subjects. We are curious to know your opinions on these matters. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest news and tips related to crypto. And make sure to keep your notifications on so you'll be updated with our latest videos. We frequently post so you wouldn't want to miss them. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can make a Bitcoin wallet. These wallets are one of the most essential things that you need to have when entering the crypto world. Basically, you cannot hold coins nor enter any transactions without it. Hence, it is important to know how to get to this wallet. For today, that will be our focus. Before we start, let us first identify the meanings and mechanisms behind crypto wallets and Bitcoin wallets. A crypto wallet is a program that serves as a wallet for your digital currency. It is similar to a wallet in which you store cash and credit cards, which is why it is called a wallet. It doesn't actually contain these things. Instead, it saves the passkeys you use to authenticate for your cryptocurrency transactions and offers the user interface you need to access your cryptocurrencies. Everyone can access the blockchain thanks to modern cryptocurrency wallets. When cryptocurrencies initially appeared, sending them involved typing in lengthy codes manually. Most of it is now done for you by software. Historically, Satoshi Nakamoto, the person who created Bitcoin, had the first wallet. Hal Finney, who interacted with Nakamoto, was the owner of the second wallet. He received 10 Bitcoin from Nakamoto as a test, and the cryptocurrency craze started. On the other hand, a user's key are stored in the Bitcoin wallet, which enables them to receive Bitcoin, sign transactions, and view their account balance. Although they were created together, the private and public keys stored in a Bitcoin wallet have two different purposes. Bitcoin transactions use cryptographic key pairs to send and receive money. A private key and its accompanying public key make up a key pair. When you send Bitcoins, you need the usage of private keys. It needs to stay confidential so that other people cannot use it to send money from your own wallet. Meanwhile, public keys, which may be distributed to anybody, are used to receive Bitcoin. From a corresponding private key, public keys are created directly. Everyone talks about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency right now. However, there are still a few people who have their own wallets. With these thoughts in mind, I want to ask you some questions. Do you have your own wallet? If you do, what pushes you to have one? Also, would you recommend having a BTC wallet to other people? Let us know what you think by sharing your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, do check if you have liked this video and you're subscribed to our channel. If you're not, now is the time to do it so you'll be a part of our growing community. Let's continue with the steps on how you can make a BTC wallet. Now that we already know some of the basic information about Bitcoin wallet, let us now dig deeper into the steps on how we can make it. I'm going to tell you how you can have a Bitcoin wallet. Knowing how to open a Bitcoin wallet will open a lot of doors for you. Basically, you will also learn how to open any crypto wallet when you know how to get a Bitcoin wallet. First thing to remember is that there are many ways to get a Bitcoin wallet. You can store it on paper, a little thumb drive, floppy disk, phone, computer, and many more. You can easily have various kinds of online Bitcoin wallets. There are also various ways to do it. In this video, we will focus on what we deem as the safest and the easiest way to acquire a Bitcoin wallet. You see, there is a spectrum of ways on how you can get a Bitcoin wallet. From the safest to the riskiest, there are many options to choose from. As an example, a piece of paper is considered as one of the safest ways of storing Bitcoin. Meanwhile, there are also online ways to store Bitcoin that can easily be hacked and controlled by other people. This time, we will talk about the middle ground of the spectrum. It will give you a safer wallet while still maintaining its accessibility. To do this, you need to create a Coinbase account. If you already have one, then that is okay. If you are just getting started, then follow along. Go to their website, We have the link in our description for easy access. When you are registering to this site, you will be asked about your personal information and copies of your IDs for verification purposes. You will probably be asked to connect your account to your bank account. These are just some of the ways that Coinbase uses to secure your portfolio and coin. When you are done with the verification process, you will see your dashboard. It would look like this. Now, click the account button at the top of your screen. Once you are there, you will already see your wallets. As of now, you will automatically have a Bitcoin wallet, ETH wallet, LTC wallet, and US dollar wallet. You can now start storing Bitcoins, Ethereum, US dollar, and Litecoin to your wallet. Unfortunately, this is not one of the most secure ways to store your coins. Actually, this is one of the least secure ways to store your asset. Hence, I will tell you a more secure way. It is just an additional step that you need to take to make sure that you can secure your cryptos. It is about creating a vault. To do this, simply scroll down and press the New Account button. Let's do this with Bitcoin. Then you need to press Vault. Before we continue, I want to explain the concept of the vault. Individual Coinbase accounts are not hack-proof. Hackers can instantly access your account through your personal emails. There are also various ways that they can use to get into your individual account. When they access your Coinbase account, they instantly send all your Bitcoins to their accounts. Once it is there, they can easily sell it off. And you will have to say goodbye to all of your Bitcoins permanently because it becomes untraceable afterwards. You are really in a tough situation when you get hacked. This is where the vault comes in. Vaults slow down the selling process, meaning people can easily send money if there are vaults. Basically, you can treat it as a bank that slows down the transaction process. They have verification systems like asking for 2 email addresses, texting you, and sending notes about the transactions. For example, they can send you a message stating that you requested a Bitcoin transfer. It will ask you whether you are sure about it. Now, you need to click and verify the transactions using these ways before it processes it. With this vault feature, you will likely access and gain control on your account within 48 hours after you get hacked. The security systems and their message alerts will put them off. You will not lose any of your Bitcoin in the end. Typically, you will just click your Bitcoin wallet, choose the send button, and input the address where you want to send it. It is really easy to do in 2 seconds, so hackers can easily do it too. Meanwhile, this won't be the case if you have a vault. To create a vault, simply press the Vault button, then choose Bitcoin Cash. After that, you need to input the wallet name. For this video, I am going to name mine as BTC Vault. Then, you will be asked about the people you want to verify your transactions. It can be individual or group. Choosing a group would be really intense unless you have a huge amount of coins. So, I will choose the individual option for this one. Afterwards, you need to provide a secondary email on top of your primary one for their verification system. You also need to confirm your secondary email. To do this, simply open your email account and follow the instructions that they sent to you. It would be pretty easy, so make sure to follow it correctly. Once you're done with it, Coinbase will show you all the information that you gave them about the verification process. Check it, and if you think it is correct, then you can click the Continue to Vault button. Once you are done, you can now go back to your account. You will see your Bitcoin wallet on it. Under that, there is your BTC vault where you can store your BTC. To store coins in your vault, you need to click the deposit button under it. Then, a pop-up screen will show. In the screen, it will show you your BTC balance, and it will have a space provided for you to insert the amount of BTC that you want to deposit in your vault. Simply fill it in with the amount that you want to deposit in your vault. Then, press Continue when you are done. After that, you will have to wait 48 hours before you can get your money from the vault. Typically, people buy Bitcoin and sell it after 1 or 2 hours. However, there are also people who buy it and store it for a long time until the BTC value increases. This kind of situation is where you will need to use your vault. Currently, this is one of the safest ways to store your BTC. Now, that is how you get to have your own safe and accessible BTC wallet. And that is it for today's video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. As always, if you did, please show us some love and support by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. And make sure to keep your notifications on so you will be updated whenever we post new videos on all things related to crypto. This has been Diversified Streams. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in our next video.